what's going on.
In Hawaii, when you say Big Time Radio, everyone knows you're talking about perennial market dominator KSSK. Big Time Honolulu is 19 big cuts with tons of free mix-outs and sparkles like the surf off of Diamond Head. Big Time Honolulu.
Hawaii's favorite KSSK.
Here's cut number 1.
Hawaii's favorite 92.3 KSSK.
Cut 2.
At home, at work, and in the car. Sing along and you're the star. 92.3 KSSK.
Cut 3.
Here's what's going on.
This is a 60. The 2-punch is cut 3A.
Hawaii's favorite KSSK.
Cut 4.
Continuous music while you work. 92.3 KSSK.
Cut 5.
Cartoons on the way home. 92.3 KSSK.
Cut 6.
KSSK. The 70s are 7.
The bed is a 60.
KSSK.
Cut 7.
KSSK. On request and dedication.
This is a 60. The 2-punch is cut 7A.
92.3 KSSK.
Cut 8.
KSSK.
Hour opener.
92.3 KSSK. Honolulu.
Cut 9.
KSSK. Weather.
The front is 60 seconds. Cut 9A is the 2-punch.
Hawaii's favorite KSSK.
Cut 10.
The best mix of music from yesterday and today. 92.3 KSSK.
Cut 10A.
92.3 KSSK.
Cut 11.
Harriet Price KSSK.
Cut 11A. The bed is 14 seconds.
Harriet Price KSSK.
Cut 12.
Continuous music KSSK.
12A. This has an 8-second pad.
Continuous music KSSK.
Cut 13.
Hawaii's favorite KSSK.
13A. The bed here is also 8 seconds.
Hawaii's favorite KSSK.
Cut 14.
92.3 KSSK.
14A. The instrumental is 8 seconds.
92.3 KSSK.
Cut 15.
Hawaii's favorite KSSK.
Cut 15A. Again, 8 seconds.
Hawaii's favorite KSSK.
Cut 16.
92.3 KSSK.
16A. This is 9 seconds.
92.3 KSSK.
Cut 17.
Hawaii's favorite KSSK.
17A. 7 seconds.
Hawaii's favorite KSSK.
Cut 18.
Hawaii's favorite KSSK.
Cut 18A. The bet here is 13 seconds.
Hawaii's favorite KSSK.
Cut 19. Traffic. This is 60 seconds. But who cares? If you're going to be stuck in traffic, why not be stuck in Honolulu's traffic? Big Time Honolulu. All material copyright TM Century Inc., Dallas, Texas. But boy, we sure wish we could say all material copyright TM Century Inc., Honolulu, Hawaii. Hey, don't forget about your holiday programming. When your cuts are being sung at TM, for a reduced rate, you can have them re-sung in a holiday version. Here's what KSSK did.
Have yourself